ngasi 25 June 2025 Wednesday numitki akhoi evening gi pause wherever Impal Times English edition sida akhoi editorial column da kari yaurge haibado mayam yengminase topic maming se science behind heavy rain and water crisis in Northeast haina akhoi writer jina by Sanchembam Jugeshwar Singh Sanchembam Jugeshwar Singh na akhoi irakpa editorial column amukhak yamna fajaba topic title amada follow tori karino haibadodi yengminarasi. Extreme rainfall events of over 15 centimeters a day have quadrupled in frequency over Meghalaya Plateau in Garo, Khasi, Jansia Hills, and surrounding areas in Assam between 1950 and 2021 as a result of climate change. A new study has found Meghalaya has been a high rainfall region, with Cherrapunji and Mawsynram among the wettest places in India and globally. But Indian Meteorological Department's data indicate that monsoon rain over the northeastern region, including Meghalaya, is seeing a decreasing trend in past 30 years. Every monsoon, dark clouds gather with purpose their intricate layer rolling over hills of northeast India like a cascade of silken drapes, cloaking the landscape in mist. As the rain draped in hills, the breathe life into every leaf and stream, crafting a living tapestry that captivates both local and visitors. This enchanting region, particularly the state of Meghalaya, is cradled by nature's monsoonal bounty. Nestled in East Khasi Hills, Mawsynram proudly holds the Guinness World Record for highest annual rainfall, typically receiving an astonishing average of 11,872 millimeters of rain each year. The region has one of the longest monsoon seasons from June to October. The beauty of this region is not solely defined by its statistics. Visitors of Mawsynram often find themselves entranced by the symphony of rain, each drop singing a lullaby to vibrant greens that carpet the earth. It is a place where the rain doesn't merely fall, it sings, dances, and transforms the landscape into a paradise abundant with biodiversity. Everybody wonders why Northeast India receives such heavy rainfall. A few important factors to note are the physical and geographical features that influence rainfall there. Two key elements are the region's relief and latitude. The first factor is the area's unique topography, and then the southwest monsoon, which is followed by orographic rainfall. The eastern Himalayan range and the hills of Meghalaya, Arunachal Pradesh, and Assam are crucial for the southwest monsoon. The bend in Himalayan range towards the northeast, known as the syntaxial band, plays a significant role. Think of it like this: the region acts like a giant natural funnel. During summer, the land heats up and creates a low pressure area. In summer, winds from Bay of Bengal branch of the southwest monsoon high pressure area bring moisture and crush against the windward side of the towering hills of Garo, Khasi, and Jantia. Here they ascend, cool, and condense into clouds that soar above Mawsynram, Arunachal Pradesh, and Assam. Thus, in Mawsynram, the moisture-laden monsoon winds hit the Khasi hills. They are forced to rise. As they rise, the air cools and the moisture condenses into heavy clouds. Result torrential rain, almost like the sky is pouring buckets. Northeast India finds itself at the mercy of nature's whims too, with rivers such as the Brahmaputra surging in fury, carrying stories of displacement. The monsoon heavy rain triggered floods and landslides have reportedly claimed 49 lives across northeastern states, affecting the lives of over 6 1.5 lakh people recently. As floods sweep across the states, leaving highways submerged and lanes precariously sliding, the need of sustainable solutions becomes imperative. The lack of systemic effort intensifies the water crisis, says an expert, urging a progressive symphony where modern science and ancient wisdom harmonize. Creating reservoirs, both real and artificial, could rewrite the monsoon script and transform challenges into opportunities. Amidst this abundance, another poignant paradox unfolds. The Northeast, so rich in rain, faces the crippling irony of water scarcity. In these hills, women often treat, tread generations old paths, heavy pots balanced precariously upon their heads and waist. These extreme rains are projected to increase further in these regions in the near future, which means that we should be prepared with a long term vision. We should identify the hotspots and flood-proof its district that is prone to extreme rains and landslides. We find that the monsoon extreme event increase is ongoing and region of quadruple event further extend over northeast Bangladesh and India and the southeast Bangladesh in future 2050 to 2079 compared with historical simulation 1950 to 1979, a quadrupling of the intense Delhi moisture transport episodes due to increased monsoon flow instability, a northward shift of LLJ monsoon flow and increased moisture contribute to the increased future extreme events. More devastating flood causing extreme rainfall events will become more frequent in future, the research found. The team compared their findings with a couple of other datasets to find similar trends. Despite the purity of this rainwater, insufficient harvesting efforts leave community parts. Although technology exists to convert ocean water to potable water, local communities often rely on small streams and remain vulnerable to water shortages. The government an individual must prioritize creating better water management strategies, including rainwater harvesting structures and artificial and natural lakes. The geographic advantages of Northeast India should ideally contribute to sustainable water solutions. Mausinram isn't just about heavy rain, it is a place where nature, culture, and climate come together in unique ways. From record breaking rainfall to real life water challenges, it has stories worth experiencing. Would you want to visit Mosunram and see it all for yourself? Writer can be reached at sjugeshwar7@gmail.com. Writer connect tꯧꯕꯤꯒꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯒꯗꯤ ꯔꯥꯏꯇꯔꯗ ꯀꯩꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯤꯕ ꯑꯥꯏꯗꯤꯌꯥꯁꯤ ꯐꯖꯔꯤꯕ ꯑꯥꯏꯗꯤꯌꯥꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯃꯈꯥ ꯇꯥꯕ ꯑꯇꯣꯞꯄ ꯅꯠꯇ꯭ꯔꯒꯅ ꯁꯤꯃꯤꯂꯔ ꯑꯣꯏꯕ ꯑꯥꯏꯗꯤꯌꯥꯁꯤꯡ ꯒꯦꯠ ꯇꯧꯅꯕꯒꯤꯗꯃꯛꯇ sjugeshwar7@gmail.com connect tꯧꯕ ꯌꯥꯒꯅꯤ. And thank you for listening until the end of this video. And this is it for today. This is the editorial column for Imphal Times Evening Daily, 27 June 2020.